Woo! This is Fast and Loud. I'm Richard Rawlings. Buckle up your seatbelts. Watch me get my ass kicked or win.
Yes, monkey. He stink. He more like it. Ass monkey.
Park right here. Check it, baby. 1, 2. God, you, Dad. I'm out of here. This is.
Don't need you. We never did.
I'm out of here.
Why don't you just? You're terminated.
Yeah, I'm going to work for Gas Monkey, and your dagger tattoo looks like a penis.
Just don't go for the drug, please.
Oh, what's up, ladies? That's good luck for me right there. Damn. Hey, take those shirts off. Those are mine. He pulls out the 10 grand. He's got himself a Lincoln. See you later. Next week, guys. See what goes up or down here at the Gas Monkey Garage. Don't make me lose my beer system.
Goodbye, Timmy, Marianne, and Joe, and Timothy and Douglas. Make sure you all come back next week. We've had a lot of fun. We've had some laughs. We've had some cries. But I think we're all better for it. And I know you'll be better for it. So join us, won't you?